We've got a bunch of slow-mo and crashes from that new Mini-Xrt. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey, Corey here, Canadian RC guy. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if it's your first time. Well, if you watched one of our last two videos, you saw that we were unboxing that new Mini-Xrt from Traxxas. We've got a whole bunch of extra video left over from running it around the back. We figure, you know what? Let's make another quick video. We've got a bunch of slow motion running around, a bunch of crashes, some jumps, whole lot of cornering, you name it, we've got it. So we figure, you know what? Let's use all the extra stuff we didn't use, throw it into another quick little video for you guys so you can see this thing in action. It was a great little truck to use. Man, maybe someday I hope that we can get one of our own. But if you didn't know, it was Echelon Hobbies in Brighton, Ontario. They let us do the unboxing. We can't thank them enough. If you need any RC stuff, hobby stuff, we'll put a little picture up here. We'll have all their information in the description of the video. Make sure you head in and see them because they've got everything you could ever need in the hobby land. So I'm going to quit yapping. Let's head to the video. So thanks so much for watching this week's video. Next week, we're taking that thing to the skate park, so you don't want to miss out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get all the new upcoming videos. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up because it helps us out a ton. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again soon.